Hi everybody, I'm Cecilia the tour manager of Your Own Tour. I live in Emilia-Romagna in the north part of Italy and I offer private and customized tours. Why private and customized tours? Because I think people coming to Italy the first time and also coming to Emilia-Romagna need to have somebody by their side showing them around and offering them a unique, unforgettable experience. So, my region is famous for food and wine, and today I want to show you around. Are you ready to come with me? Come on, let's go! Hi everybody, I'm here with my friend Cristina of the Poderi Fiorini in Savignano sul Panaro, where I come with my guest, with my tourist, for a wine tasting and a tour in the vineyards. Hi Cristina, how are you?
Hi, I'm Cristina Fiorini and I'm a owner of my winery, and with Alberto, my brother, we are the fourth generation of our family that make Lambrusco. We are located in Savignano sul Panaro, is in the province of Modena, but is between Modena and Bologna. Is a beautiful place and is very interesting for make a different denomination of wine as Lambrusco. Lambrusco is the most famous bubbles wine in this area, and Pignoletto. Pignoletto is an indigenous grape, especially in the Bolognese area.
Make a tasting. Why don't you open the bottle?
Okay.
Just have a cheers. The perfect pairing with the wine of Cristina is the fresh handmade pasta of Monica and Barbara. Skillful hands knead the flour with eggs to make the dough for our traditional fantastic tortelloni. What does it mean for you, Barbara, making pasta?
Pasta, like food in general, means telling a story, and we would like to tell you our story also. We believe that cooking together, spend time together, sitting at the same table, chatting, laughing is a special moment to share.
Okay, Monica, why did you decide to start with the project of Try and Taste?
We decided to teach with my sister Barbara because it's very important to keep alive a tradition. A tradition to talk about me, her, and especially about our family. And we don't want to lose it.
nothing better than eating a plate of tortelloni with friends. So did you enjoy yourself today? I hope so. I enjoy a lot. I like this job because I have the opportunity to meet new people, to stay with my friends and enjoy with them. So I can't wait to see you again. See you next time. Ciao.